Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the HiLetgo ESP32 CP 2012 development board. This isn't just another ESP32. It's a specifically designed module with some thoughtful features that make it stand out, especially if you're a fan of breadboard prototyping. First impressions are good. The board boasts a 38-pin configuration, giving you more I/O options compared to the more common 30-pin versions. This is fantastic for projects that require a lot of sensor connections or controlling multiple devices simultaneously. The narrower width is a real plus. It sits comfortably on a breadboard without hogging all the space, leaving you room to connect other components. The heart of this board is, of course, the ESP32D chip. It's a dual-core processor with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Setting it up is pretty straightforward. It supports the usual STA, APSTA plus AP modes, so you can connect to existing networks, create your own access point, or do both at the same time. The inclusion of universal commands makes it easy to get started, even if you're not an expert programmer. HiLetgo has integrated the antenna, switches, RF balun, power amplifiers, low noise amplifiers, filters, and power management modules directly onto the board. This level of integration simplifies your project design and reduces the need for external components. Connectivity is comprehensive. You've got UART, SPI, I2C, PWM, DAC, and ADC interfaces available. This makes it compatible with a wide range of sensors, actuators, and other peripherals. The USB-C connector is a welcome addition, offering a more modern and robust connection for programming and power. In short, the HiLetgo ESP32 CP 2012 is a well-designed development board that offers a good balance of features, connectivity, and ease of use. The breadboard-friendly form factor and the expanded pin count make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced makers. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable ESP32 board for your next project, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.